So hello and welcome to this Python course. Today we'll be taking input from a user. I'll teach you how to take input from a user. So without too much explaining, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more. So let's start. So giving input to a program. Why do we need the input? Sometimes we need to take data from the user and do calculations on it. And today I will be showing how to do that. So for each take input, we use a function called input, as you can see. So input is used in Python to take input from the user. It's also a built-in function. So first of all, we need to define a variable that this data will hold. So let's say my input. Then let's say we now use the function input. Then tell the user something like enter your number. Then that's all you need to do for you to take the user's input. So the input function accepts a string that will be shown to the user. So before we continue, I will also show you how to take users integer because it's a different process. So for this, then we'll print to the user what they have entered. So let's say print. Then you have entered then a comma, then my input. So when we run this, you can see it tells the user enter your number. Let's say 254. When I click enter, you can see you have entered 254. It has taken the user's input and returned the input to the user. So this is how you take the user's input and you turn to them. So let's now learn about operations. In Python, there are operations just like math operations. There are additions, multiplications, division, subtraction. Then we have something called the integer division. We have another called modulus. Then we have the exponentiation. So to add a number, you just use the plus sign. Let's say print 2 plus 2. Plus 2. So when you run this, you can see it returns 4. And to subtract a number, you just use the subtraction sign. Print 3 minus 2. So when we run this, you get 1. To multiply a number, you just use this asterisk. So let's say print 2 times 2. When we run this, you can see it returns 4. To divide a number, this is called this a float division. So to divide, we use this for a float division. Let's say 6. We use the backslash to divide a number. So 6 divided by 2. When you run this, you can see 3.0. So this is a float division. For an integer division, so let's say for an integer division, you use a double backslash. So let's say 6 divided by 2. You see it has no decimal point. It returns 3. So the difference is sometimes you might need a number that returns a whole number, not a division that returns a decimal point. So there's another operation called modulus. Modulus returns the remainder. So let's say print, let's say 3 modulus. For modulus, you use the percentage sign. Modulus 2. When we run this code, you can see it returns 1 because 3 divided by 2, the remainder is 1. So our next operation is exponentiation. So exponentiation is, in short, is the power of, so you can say t to the power of 2, use the double asterisk sign. When you run this, you see it's 9. So it takes 3 and it multiplies it 2 times. So 3 times 3, you get 9. So these are just a few of the simple operations in Python. I'll be uploading a video about advanced Python, a course about advanced Python. Please, when you finish this course, you can join me and I'll show you more operations. So for now, I'm done. So please join me in my next lesson. We should be discussing about decision making. Thank you.